All right. First of all, like and subscribe. Okay. This is the real Janika. Like and subscribe. This is what I'm doing today. I just came from the laundromat. Yeah, I had to go to the laundromat because my dryer belt broke. So listen, my washing machine still works. Okay. It still works. So I had to wash my clothes, me and my daughter's clothes, and I had to take them to the laundromat to get dried. So I am in the process of separating them. Yep, I have to separate my stuff. Separating them and then folding them, putting them up. So this is what I got right here. Because I don't know, maybe it makes it easier for me. Does it make it easier for you? How do you do your laundry? Drop your comments down below, okay? But this is what I do. Like, right here are my towels and blankets, washcloths. I put those in a pile, all right? These are my daughter's clothes. These are my daughter's clothes right here, so I put those in a pile. And then my clothes are actually on the ottoman in a pile over here. So I just do that because when I'm putting up clothes, I used to just fold them up. I used to just fold them and then just have them everywhere. But I noticed that when I separate those, like once I finish separating my daughter's clothes, they're in a pile. I can go ahead, fold them up, put them up, you know. So that's what I'm doing now. So come on and join me, y'all. All right, so now that I have everything separated, I'm just gonna go ahead and start folding. I hate folding clothes. I hate that just like I hate washing dishes. I hate folding clothes. So, here we go. And so now I do even more separating. So what I'm gonna do now is separate my daughter's pants, socks, t-shirts, undergarments, sweaters, you name it. I just go ahead and separate it so I can make sure that everything is actually together in sync for my liking. Now I know you might think that's a lot of work. That's a lot of work, but it actually helps me to stay organized because look at this. This is a lot. It's a lot. But in order for me to get through with this, and not feel like I'm just all over the place, I gotta have myself organized some more. Pants. Now I probably can go ahead and start folding as I'm doing it. Pull out the pants. Just pull out the pants, start folding. Find the pants, start folding. So now, as you can see, I have everything like separated. I've done the towels and stuff. I put the undergarments over here. Here we are. Socks right here. Shirts right over there. So now I'm gonna start putting those up. And see, that's how I'm able to, you know, to stay focused. I'm like, okay, now I got my shirts. So let's just concentrate on the shirts. Okay, so I finally finished everything. I didn't want to show me folding up my daughter's underwear just because that's weird to me. But this is how everything turned out. I just have to separate stuff before I fold it. I know I didn't make this up. That works best for me. Tell me what works best for you. And be nice in my comment section. Don't just get on here just to be, why you wearing a hat? Why you folding up clothes like this? Why you doing like that? That's just how I roll. That's just how I roll, okay? All right? Give me some good energy because I will turn it around. All right, but tell me your laundry hacks. If you have any tips for me, let me know. It's your girl, the real Janika, and I will holler at you in the next video. All right?